Hello, my wonderful people. Make on hear this breaking news coming from the Department of State Service, United States of America. They, according to them, they said there's one document. Maybe I can call it a secret document because on that document, they cancel it because the United States of America from 1967 to 1970 or to 1969, they regarded Chukwuemeka Odumegwu as a playboy, and also regarded the Igbos as gifted, and they are wandering Jews. That is the news. The classified U.S. documents described Chukwuemeka Odumegwu, the Biafran warlord, as playboy, and also described Igbos as they are gifted and wandering Jews. What does this signify? It's not that these people really know who the Biafrans are. It's true that these people really know what the Igbos and Biafrans are capable of doing, if ever the chance of owning or giving them the freedom to have their own nation called the Biafran nation. So when I keep on telling my people that the issue we are facing today might not be literally from the Nigerian government, that the international community have a very huge hand and very huge role to play in this our quest to get the Biafran nation standing. But look at it. Imagine the 1967 to 1970 to 1969, what US is thinking about Ojukwu is calling him a playboy, a toy, whereby we have millions of people we are losing in starvation, in hunger, women, male, children, mothers and fathers, all gone down the drain because of hunger, because of food starvation that Nigerian government used to kill almost 3.5 million of the Biafrans during the genocidal war against the Southeasterners. Upon that, the US today, in fact, US and UK, they hold the Biafrans in an open apology for what role they really played during that Biafran war, which I know that US masterminded the war. They are the one that tell Yakubu Jack Gowen never to honor the Aburi Accord agreement they signed with Ojukwu to have what they called a referendum. And that is what the Biafrans are still seeking today. It never stopped them from killing Biafrans, and their killings never stopped Biafrans from agitating to have a referendum to decide on where to belong. Because you cannot tell me by fire, by force, you amalgamated the northern and the southern, where we say the southern are the ones with brain, while the northerns are cows. How can cow and human being live at the same country? It is not done because their reasoning is always like cow. Look at what that old fool called Senator Bukachua. Look at what that man is vomiting from his mouth. The same man that came out at the national TV, a National Assembly convention, and said that all the whole roles that the wife played during her own time as the chief judge of the magistrate of Apex Court, which is the Supreme Court, that he is the one that did all. That almost 95% of his colleagues in that their court called Government House, thieving and looting public funds, overturning election results in a judiciary. He said it, that he played a very vital role of overshadowing his wife, telling his wife on what to do, and how his wife helped his mates to get victory, even when they don't have any victory. That is the same man that come out now to begin to tell us that they will not. That is the Muslims, the Fulanis, the Hausas, they are the owner of Nigeria, that they will not give Biafrans what they are asking for. That means they are ready for another Exactly the point. That's what I'm saying. That means they are ready to invade the Biafran land again. And the international community sees all these things and they keep calm. USA saying that they are the holder of democracy, whatever it is in that way. Democracy, my food. Who democracy help? Democracy is what brings killings in our land. Democracy